All right, fifth graders, it is time for our reading mini lesson. So, our I can statement or our learning target for this reading mini lesson is I can identify the main idea of a nonfiction passage. So, nonfiction, remember, that is writing that is real. So, fiction is fake writing, nonfiction is non fake writing or real writing. So I'm going to model for you how to do this, how to find the main idea, and then you will be on your own to do this on the assignment for Google Classroom. All right, so we are going to go, I'm just going to pick one that is, all right, we'll do this one. So this article is called The Building Blocks, and you were going to have one that is about matter because it's related to what we're learning in science right now. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and read it out loud. And as I'm reading, I want you to think, what is this article mostly about? And we're going to want to put that in this text box over here. All right, so cells are often referred to as the building blocks of life. They are called this because each individual cell retains the characteristics of the entire organism. Just like your body as a whole, each cell in your body can take in nutrients, convert it to energy, eliminate waste, heal itself when it is hurt, and communicate with other cells. Even though there are smaller parts of a cell called organelles, they cannot perform these functions on their own. In the organization of life, the cell is the smallest unit that exhibits all the characteristics of being alive. So, cells are parts of our body. We're made up of cells, and I'm thinking that the main idea of this passage is that cells are essential to life because we've got in the first sentence them saying that they're the building blocks of life. We've got down here saying they've gotten all the characteristics of being alive, everything, each cell in your body has to take in nutrients, eliminate waste, heal itself. So I'm thinking that cells, the author's trying to tell me cells are pretty darn important. So I'm going to use this sentence stem, and I expect you to use the same. You are starting with a capital letter, ending with a period. The main idea of this passage is that cells are essential to life. All right, now I have to look for a detail. All right, a detail, so this is what I want you to put for your sentence stem, a detail that supports this main idea is that each cell has to take in nutrients for the body. And nutrients are like nutrition, right? So they keep us healthy. So that tells me that if it's keeping us healthy, it's taking in nutrients, then that supports the main idea of the passage, which means they're essential to life because we all need nutrients to live. Now, fifth graders, this is your assignment. You are going to click on reading 929. You are going to click on this Google Slides assignment. You are going to read They're Not the Same, about mass and weight. You are going to say, let's go here. The main idea is, then you will say a detail that supports this main idea is blank. I'm not going to give you the answer for this. This is going to be worth 10 points. 5 points for this answer and 5 points for that answer. So you read the article, read it the whole way through, then type the main idea and the detail, just like we did yesterday. All right, good luck. You're going to do amazing.